My husband worked in many, many different plants, many places that had asbestos. I did his laundry, and that's how they believe I contacted it. They sent me to an oncologist. I was very upset at the beginning. My son called me and he said, "Mom, you need to get an attorney. This is serious." So that's when my daughter-in-law looked up and got John's number for me. I called him on Christmas Eve, and he was here, I think, a couple days later. He walked in very personable and asked me first what they had found. I gave him the information and we went from there. He was excellent. He had it all planned out. I think he's extremely good at his job, but he didn't make me feel like I was a client, more like just an ordinary person that he was concerned about, and he spent a lot of time with us. And he was very good at what he did. Yes, as soon as I hear anybody that needs a lawyer, I tell them about John. He called me on the phone and told me what he settled for. And it was more than I ever imagined. We really feel blessed after finding out that you have cancer and something good happened to you.